Welcome to the product demonstration of firefighting robot with RF and Bluetooth. In this part we are using servo motor and water pump, DC motor water pump and fire sensor and the RF receiver, and also using 9 volts battery for this water motor, and also using relay, Bluetooth module. So the Bluetooth module name is HVS-4206.FIRE, and also using 12 volt 2 battery, and also using Arduino 3D for the motor drive, buzzer and track PCB Arduino Uno. So we can see this is a battery pack. Each battery have a 4 volts with 1 amp rating. So if the batteries are connected in series, so the voltage will be added. So for this 4 is equal to 12 volts with 1 amp. And also here we can see this added series added batteries are connected to the parallel. So if we connected a parallel, the current will be added. So now it will become a 12 volts with a 2 amp battery pack, and also using LM2596 buck converter. So it will take 12 volt input DC and it will step down up to 5 volts. So this is a buck converter. So buck converter is used for the high DC to low DC converter. So that 5 volts will be given to this track PCB. So the main aim of this track PCB is equally divide the 5 volts power supply to the all components like Arduino Uno, RF receiver, servo motor, fire sensor, buzzer and relay, Bluetooth module, like this. So these are works on the 5 volts of power supply. But here we can see we are using 30 RPM motor, which is works on the 12 volts of power supply. So the 12 volts of 30 RPM motors will be driven by this Arduino 3D. So Arduino 3D is connected 12 volts 2 amp battery directly. So we need to install a Bluetooth module. So here we can see Bluetooth terminal HVS-4206.FIRE. So we need to install this one. So we need to go for that one. So first of all we need to on the power supply using this RF switch. So we need to go for the Bluetooth settings. So this is the previous saved Bluetooth module. So here we can see HVS-4206.FIRE is available. We need to pair this one. It will ask password should be 1234. Then only it will be connected to our mobile. So now it is saved here. So we need to connect that one in this app. So now it is connected. So here we can see fire alert, showing the fire alert. So we need to switch on this RF transmitter, then it will not give any fire alert. So if we on this switch power supply for this one, and also we need to switch on this RF transmitter also. So in this RF transmitter we are using an IR sensor that is connected to the RF transmitter, and also RF transmitter using the 9 volts of power voltage battery. So that voltage battery is given to the regulator. So regulator converts 12 volts of DC to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be utilized by this RF transmitter. So the RF transmitter main purpose is, so if any fire is detected by this sensor, so it is placed in a particular room. So if any fire is detected by this fire sensor, then it will give a signal to the RF transmitter. Through RF transmitter, this RF receiver will be receive the fire signals. Then if any fire is detected by this RF receiver, then it will send a message to the signal to the Arduino Uno. Then through Bluetooth module we can see the fire alert from here. So now we are connecting from first to. So now it is connected to HVS-4206.FIRE. After that we need to set our buttons configuration. So here we can see button name F and the command is also F, and here we can see the CR and LF is normally in on position. We need to off this one. For every button for the same process, L and the right clicks should be off, and also B and R. So we need to see if the right clicks are in there or not, and stop also. So now if I press F, it will move forward. If I press stop, it will be stop. For stop button we can see, so button name is given as a stop and the command is a S. So if I press L, it will rotate left side, so we can see the wheels directions. For the B, it will rotate backward. For the R, it will rotate right side. You can see the vehicle direction, wheels direction. Now I am pressing the stop, it will be stop. So if any fire sensor is detected by this fire sensor, then automatically motor gets switched on. So for the fire I am using the lighter. So we can see it will be, so servo motor will be rotated for the water angles, then stop. And also if any fire detected by this in a room, so we can see, and also if any fire detected here, then we can see commands are given, so like fire detected. If any fire detected in a room, so it will give a commands like it will give a message like fire alert. So this is placed in a room, particular room. So if any particular room detected by fire detected by this fire sensor, it will send a message like fire alert. Then we will control this robot and we will move this robot to that particular room. So I will show in a flow how it will be works. So now I am controlling this robot forward and left and forward and right and backward and stop. Now we are using a fire. So here we can see if any fire detected, then automatically it will give a buzzer alert at the same time. Servo motor will be rotated for the water angle. So if relay gets switched on, means this motor will be in on position. Like this. So we pour water in this box. Now it will, if the motor is on, then it will give a water. Now I am using this one. So we can see it is giving like this. So we can see here. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.